Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce, my name is Hafifa Agustina. You can call me Fifa. I study at Mula Warman University, majoring in biology education. Well, here I will try to discuss the natural research depletion, which is the test of my English class with supporting lecturer Miss Rukoyah Nasution. So, get on with it. Natural research depletion. At this time, the number of people on Earth is very large and not in line with the amount of research currently available. Theoretically and biologically, every organism needs energy to develop. The population continues to grow while nature is permanent. This makes population explosion a challenge for us. Natural research in the world will experience a reduction, not rule out the possibility that research will be depleted. This is caused by human selfishness and greed. Humans always give priority and gain importance for themselves. For example, the depletion of natural research in the world. Number one, the disappearance of the forest. In Africa, it is estimated that 80% of Africans use wood for cooking. Likewise, in Brazil, more than 20,000 square kilometers of Brazilian forests are destroyed every year. In Mexico, half of the forest has disappeared in the last 50 years. And in the Philippines, it loses around 100 hectares of forest every year. It takes 60 to 100 years for a tree to reach full maturity, but only a few minutes to cut down. Number two, lost land. When the soil is uprooted, the unprotected topsoil dries out immediately and is blown off by the wind, washed away by water. This process is called erosion. Erosion occurs naturally and is generally not a serious problem unless humans accelerate the process through poor soil management. One example, Brazil loses 500 million tons of land every year due to erosion. In Mexico, 53% bushland, 59% forests, and 72% forests experience the effect of soil degradation. Number three, clean water. A person can live for about a month without food, but he will die in a week without water. According to a Time magazine report in 2000, more than 1 billion people have difficulty in obtaining clean drinking water throughout the world. Water shortages occur for various reasons. In France, pollution is one of them and a source of cleansing concern. This shortage of clean water also occurs in several countries such as Japan, Mexico, Australia, and also Indonesia for various reasons. Then, what about the natural resource crisis in Indonesia? Indonesia, there is environmental exploitation carried out by several oil palm companies in Sumatra and Kalimantan to open up vast tracts of palm oil companies that have about large tracts of land on the local population burned without thinking about the impact that will occur in the area. In addition, island nations such as Indonesia also occur over exploitation of the sea which result in endangered marine species and disruption of the balance of marine life. The island nation generally address to the principle of freedom of the sea or the absence of rules set at sea so that freedom is used as a benchmark for action that harm many people in the future. Okay, those were just a few examples of depletion of natural resources. So, when you protect the environment, nature will work together create safety to protect our earth. That's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.